CPA Marketing Guide 2023. The field of digital marketing has gone through tremendous levels of change in the last 2 decades due to the greater availability and efficiency of the Internet. The Internet has brought forth the era of digital marketing, which brings with it its niche of platforms and methodologies available for marketing.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Digital marketing makes it possible to target very specific demographics to market your product to with the use of specifically curated mechanisms concerning the marketing content. This is the reason why it has seen a sharp increase in the last few years. One of the exciting and efficient ways to engage in digital marketing is with the help of CPA advertising. This is a subdivision within digital marketing that is beneficial to both the product seller and the product marketer. It holds particular significance in the realm of CPA marketing websites. This is due to the high efficiency that this mode of marketing provides. With the increase in the speed and availability of the Internet, this trend of higher investment by companies in digital marketing plan is bound to continue. How does CPA marketing work? 1. Affiliate or publisher. This is the main platform chosen for running the campaign. These can be influencers, bloggers, brands, and businesses. They promote a business or the product of the business, intending to drive traffic into the website of the business for the specific conversion. For example, CPA lead affiliates engage in marketing apps and are paid per install. 2. Business or advertiser. This is the business that is looking to engage in CPA marketing with an affiliate with the intent of generating desired specific action from the client base. The specific actions that are generally sought are downloads, lead generation, conversions, and product sales. 3. CPA network. CPA networks are mediums that act as a platform for you to carry out your marketing campaign. These networks perform the function of a bridge between publishers and advertisers and the targeted users. These agencies also act as a guarantee for your business as they determine the legitimacy of the business. They are essentially the support base that brings together the affiliates who want to make money engaging in CPA and the businesses that are looking to run such campaigns for their products. Joining the best CPA networks can help boost your credibility as a CPA marketer. 4. CPA niches. CPA niches refer to the specific domain that the affiliate operates in. Depending on the nature of the demographics of the audience base of the affiliate, the niche can be chosen. It is important to focus on a niche while carrying out a CPA marketing campaign, as it is better to not spread yourself thin over multiple domains. Instead, picking the right niche and coupling it with curated content can help generate more desired actions. Not every niche provides profitable results, but it is still better to choose the niches based on the audience of the affiliates rather than the stats of various niches. Some of the niches to consider are mobile apps, health, finance, job search, cosmetics, etc. Due to the high analytical data available concerning digital marketing as well as the immediate feedback and data available on campaigns, it is easier to optimize the marketing campaign on the go. Benefits of CPA marketing. Easy setup. It is very easy to get into CPA marketing as anyone can start a website these days. For influencers, even a website might not be required as their presence is through social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. It is important to have an audience with that you can engage. After sale commission. This is beneficial for companies as they can ensure that the marketing is done promptly as the commission is only generated after the action. Also, it is beneficial to the marketer as they get paid per action as and when it happens. This gives the potential to maximize earnings based on marketing ability. Low risk. It is a low-risk enterprise as this provides the ability to make money from marketing without having to create products or having to invest much money. It is also beneficial to companies as they have to shell out more money only if the campaign is successfully performed. High ROI, there is a high return on investment for both parties here. It is an efficient mode of marketing for companies as they pay per action, which results in optimal marketing. Also, for the marketer, it provides the ability to make money with barely any monetary investment. High market reach, it provides companies with the ability to target very specific demographics with the choice of affiliate and the choice of niches they engage in. This helps reach out to potential clients across demographics without alienating any section. What are CPA networks? CPA networks play a pivotal role in the world of affiliate marketing, serving as intermediaries that connect advertisers with publishers. These networks streamline the process of promoting offers and generating desired actions by creating a centralized platform for collaboration. Advertisers benefit by gaining access to a network of publishers, while publishers gain the opportunity to promote a variety of offers to their audience. For advertisers, CPA networks provide a convenient way to reach a broader audience through various publishers without the need for individual negotiations. The collaborative nature of these networks fosters efficient communication and partnership between advertisers and publishers, creating a symbiotic relationship where both parties stand to gain from successful campaigns.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.